Welcome back to our channel. My name is LaShonda. This is my husband, Gishert. He said, "Babe, while you are cooking, I'm going to clean the garage." And I was like, "Yes, baby." That's what I'm talking about. I love me some good partnership, teamwork. I just love him for initiating the cleaning. I mean, he does a lot of the cleaning in the house. He's always keeping up with the laundry, cleaning the kitchen. He does everything around the house, actually. Um, he has a little help from the children. I help sometimes, but he keeps up with everything. But I was cooking this day, and he said, "Babe, I'm going to clean the garage." And I said, "Well, thank you, boo." So that's what he's doing. I really appreciate him. Now, this mess is not his mess. It's my mess. It's my children's mess. But my husband is not going to live in a filthy house. So he's going to do what he has to do to get things in order. And I appreciate him for that. This is a disaster. We moved into this house a few months ago, and we just have not been able to get ourselves organized, situated yet from the move. We pretty much just put everything in the garage and let it pile up. But this is just part one of the extreme clean of the garage. He's pretty much, just separating clothes. I'm preparing them to wash. He has been washing clothes and putting them away this past couple of weeks, but we just can't get it caught up. I think I'm gonna go to the laundromat and take all the clothes and I think it'll be easier, quicker, wash, dry, fold in one day, get it all done, get the stuff out of the garage. I am not a hoarder by any means. I'm just messy, and I just don't have time to clean. My husband is not, he don't like, it just makes him uncomfortable. And so we get it together. And I appreciate him for that. Again. Came back an hour later, and this man has gotten this far. He works so fast and hard. He don't stop until he's done. But like I said, this is just part one. You have to like, comment, and subscribe so you can get part two. Thank you for watching.